What's up? First hike of 2024. Today I'm doing Picketpost Mountain Trail. It's 4.2 miles, 2,000 feet, 2,070 feet. It's an out and back. There's a loop that goes around it. That's another option. But here we are, yeah, 4.2 miles. It is cold. It's 50 degrees out right now. Debating on if I got enough layers. I'm sure when you get in the shade it gets cold. But also when you get moving it gets hot. It's 2:30. Late start as always. All right. Brought an extra layer, long sleeve. I got a hoodie, but I'm not bringing that. I'm geared up, ready. I do have new GoPro batteries. Been dealing with some battery issues. .2,000-foot elevation gain. See how high you end up there. I heard it's easier than Flatiron. So that was like a 6-hour adventure. Let's see how long this adventure takes me. I did deadlifts yesterday and my lower back it's tight. Pretty fucking tight. Okay, little helpful stack to let you know you're on the right path. Yeah, that whole area was a little technical. Seems see what it turns back into a trail, or are we kind of climbing? Okay. Hello. Hi. I got high enough where I got 5G. Huh. How are you? All right. Yeah, I'm on the side of a mountain right now. Yeah, I'm hot, man. I'm sweating. I'm going straight up. I still got 1,000 feet to go. I've already gone 2.2 miles something. So I'll hit you up when I'm done. All right, bye. Yeah, you're a little exposed right here on the hillside. We got a little bit of snow, ice, sure that's not slippery. Where the fuck am I going? So I got sweaty on the way up. Now it's really cold, so I'm trying to air out and then I'll throw a layer on. Oh shit. Oh, I gotta double check. I might be off trail. Go ahead and throw this bad boy back on. These deals. Hit. All right, I came through there. I don't know what I was doing right there. I found the sun again. Oh yeah, we're on it now. Got turned around for a minute. I'm gonna take the sweatshirt off again too. What am I doing, bro? It's only gonna get icier as it gets later. Losing sunlight. How much farther we got?
Almost there. Still going up. I'm wondering if that is Mount Lemon off in the distance. I don't know, I could be wrong. Where the fuck do I go? All right, I was throwing a dry shirt. That's so awesome. Dude, honestly, I might have to eat this. Thank you so much. I need this. 2 hours and 15 minutes so far. Distance 3.12. Gonna turn out being a little longer than I thought. Coming up through the canyon area, it's cold, it's icy, there's snow, and there's rocks. That was the most challenging part. So I guess I better get going. Take the drone up real quick.
I've cooled down considerably. I had the drone up. I'm starting to shiver, my hands hurt, and the sun's getting low. So, what an awesome experience. But I need to make sure I get down out of here. Oh my God, I'm cold. Hurt. Let's get ready to go. Time. All right, it's 5:15. Took me 2 hours to get up here. I need to get down faster. So I'm trying to get down pretty fast, especially in this area that isn't too technical. But how do I not share these views? Look at this shit. Oh man. The sun's dropping fast. This is gonna be fun navigating the crevice part, the canyon part, but it's what I signed up for. Definitely beautiful. I know GoPros aren't the best for low light. This is amazing. I was pretty ballsy at first, but it kept getting darker and I kept dropping down into kind of where the canyon, and it got creepy. I ran for about 30 minutes on and off just to catch my breath a little bit. I kept moving the whole time, but it got creepy seeing all the shadows and the cactus, and I kept expecting as I'm shining the lights around to see some eyes back at me. So I started playing tricks on myself. I ended up doing 5.68 miles, elevation gain 2,297 feet, moving time 3 hours 2 minutes. Yeah, I was really moving down, trying to get that last mile and a half in the dark by myself. It was an adventure.